Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. Let me know that you're here. If you are returning, what's up, what's popping? You know how we do. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. So I saw this TikTok and obviously it's kind of like, well, duh, but I mean at the same time not really, because you know you have lip liner pencils that are specifically made for lip liners, but this lady, she took out a pack of colored pencils. Specifically, she used this one too. So I just wanted to make sure I grabbed the right one because I didn't want it to be a bust. I don't know if I can find her page. I'm gonna look up her TikTok and I'll put it somewhere right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But she's the reason why I'm trying this right now. So I saw this and she used these pencils as lip liners, and I was like, this is on to something, because you know sometimes you need that color, right? And I didn't want to try the basic colors because you know we know what a brown lip liner looks like. I wanted to try some combinations that were like, girl, what is this? So it's Cra-Z-Art color pencils. Is 24 in here. These are the bright and vivid ones. I definitely want to try a purple. I'm gonna do ombre ones at that too. So I'm gonna try these two. Of course, we're gonna do a red because why not? I kind of want to try the pinks, and I feel like I should do one more color, guys. I want to do this blue right here. It's another blue in the back though. Oh, that's cute. I'd be wrong if I don't do a green. So I'm gonna do, because I didn't want to do the typical grass green color. I want to do this green and this peacock green. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right to it. So the first color we're going to do is the red one. So what I saw her do was she had a cup of water. She swirled it around in there like so. And then she kind of just put it on like normal. So, oh my God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Hold up. My body is like, I feel like I'm going through a spiritual world right now. Hold on. So you have to keep dipping it to get the color out. Are you freaking kidding me right now? This is absolutely freaking insane. I don't. This. So we have it on there. I can feel it drying on my lips right now. Cra-Z-Art might be about to put these lip liners out of business, because baby, I'm gonna go with this lighter red one now just because I want to kind of fill it in. So give me one sec. I'm gonna finish filling this in. Okay, honey, she's up there. This is actually cute. This is actually cute. So I did bring my gloss over here just to see what it would look like with the gloss on it. So I'm gonna put this on now. Okay, it's another beauty hack, guys. This is insane. Like absolutely insane. Like I don't even want to do any basic colors right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna put this pink back because I feel like that's crazy. I'm only gonna put it back too, guys, because oh, so no. I gotta do it then. We gotta do the white. We gotta do the white. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Do you see this? Let's see how easy it comes off though. And then it wipes off really easily. Alright, let me finish wiping this off and then we're going to move to the next color. Okay, so it's not hard to get off your lips at all, especially if you moisturize your lips prior. I'm not gonna lie, I feel my lips getting a little chapped because I was scrubbing real hard, but that's okay. I'm not going to put gloss on all of them either. Oh, you know what I just thought about? You using this too, instead of like a lip liner, you can also do like some eyeliner shit with this. This is crazy. Green or blue? Green or blue? Let's see. Green is my favorite color, as you can see. I want to do this green lip. So we're going to swirl it in the magic water. Mind you guys, this is just regular water. I didn't put nothing in it. I didn't add nothing to it. This is going to surprise me every time. And then it's funny because you can feel it when it dries. So I'm realizing also the more you dip it in there and go over it, intensifies the color. And that's what we want, because I don't want it to look skimpy. That's cute. I'm going to put you back. And then I'm going to go in with this. Look at my hands. That's okay, that's okay. It says peacock green. Oh, it looks kind of blue. So this one, I feel like because of the color it is, it's almost like it doesn't want to show up on my lips. But never mind, wait, because the more I build it up, it's getting on there. Hold on. So you can kind of see it separated. It's the only thing. So I feel like these might only be good for lip liners. So I'm not going to sit here and try all of these, honestly. I'm going to clean this off and I'm actually going to do the white one next. Just because I kind of want to save some of these colors for another look, because I'm excited now. My interest has been piqued. So I'm going to give y'all one more color, which is that white, because we got to see if it's giving. Say hi, mama. Say hi, mama. You can look. Alright, y'all. Since Nay baby is up from her nap, that means I have to hurry up because she's not going to be going for it in a moment. Granted, I just fed her and I honestly think she just took a cat nap. So, yeah, Miss Ma'am. But that's okay. That's okay. We're still going to finish up. And I'm sure you pottied. So, we're going to get your pookie changed. Yeah, but let's do this one last lip. Nay, we're doing white. Okay? You think you're going to be... Do you think it's going to be a hit or miss? Yeah, I'm hoping it's a hit. So we're going to swirl it in the magic water like this. Alright, let's see. Ah, I love this for me. This is so cute. So it's also doing what I expected to do, which is kind of separate a little bit. So I feel like you have to be very precise about this. I'm about to look like one of those Got Milk freaking commercials. Okay, I lied. So now that I did the white, I kind of want to use a different color. And they say if we're going to do it right. So we're going to go in with the hot pink next. Okay, she's there. She's on there. So honestly, the way I see it, Nay, I think that the darker colors work better. Yeah, I do. I really think the darker colors are better for these pencils. The lighter ones work, but I want to do blue. Where's blue? I feel like the darker colors really scream pigment when it comes to these pencils. Let's see. See what I mean? Yeah. No, you cannot eat the pencil. They just make like the glide easier too. Yeah, you like this color. See, these make it a lot more easier. The darker ones make it easier to fill in. Girl, let go on my sleeve. Don't hate on my outfit, cause I can get you one. You're right. I can't just use all blue. I gotta go on with a different color, right? I need to do an ombre lip. I still feel like the darker ones are hitting better than. So guess what we're gonna do? It's getting all over my hands. You getting upset? Hey, girl, go. All right, y'all. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna wipe off the stuff on my face. I'm gonna dip it in water to see if that makes it easier to take off too. You think it will? Oh, you was right there. Look. You was right, girl. I'm taking it off. It's coming off easier this way. I said you was right about the water. I gave you your props. What you think? I'm getting blue on me now. You don't have to talk. Oh, cause but you don't have to talk to me like that. I hear you loud and clear. Ain't that right, now, baby? Your middle brother don't want to take a nap. I hear him upstairs playing with the toy. Oh, you said not so much on camera. Okay. I said okay. Right. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the works. Also in the comments down below, let me know what color you would like to see me use next in another video perhaps, or even if you want to see me do a liner look with these. I feel like these are actually probably better to do liner looks with, but some of the colors in the darker ones are actually the better ones to use for your lip liners. The lighter ones, they show up, but they don't show out. So I would definitely recommend using the darker ones if you are looking for more colored lip liners. Not to say that NYX doesn't already have a whole bunch of them, so I'm still gonna be a NYX girl with my lip liners. But Cra-Z-Art, okay, you might have something in your hand. You might come out with a cosmetic line. You know, whatever else makes a girl go crazy. But I definitely feel like we can do that. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you next time. Ain't that right? Yeah, ain't that right? All right, guys.